Hello, welcome to Lots of Food and Barbecue. I've heard this myth that if you soak popcorn, they yield larger popcorn. So I'm going to do a test. I'm going to measure up 1/4 cup of each. I'm going to soak one in water. I get a tablespoon of canola oil, and then I'm going to pop them and measure how much I get. Okay, to make this exact, I'm going to weigh them. So this is 1 deciliter or 1/4 cup, and that weighs 91 grams. I'll soak those. And then, oops, missed one. We'll fill up 91 more grams of this for the dry run then. There we go. So I'll start with this. Okay, there we go. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of popcorn, 1 lid. I'm going to do this same temperature, 13. Let's go. Okay, so this is the first batch. 2 full glasses and one that is about that much. It's a little bit too tall, like right below the rim there, I would say. Okay, waiting for the second batch to soak. It's supposed to say you soak 15 minutes. Now I've got like 7 minutes to go, so I'm gonna let them be. I figured I might as well answer the Crazy for Food tag. I was tagged by Meathead. Thank you very much, Chris. And I'm gonna do my best trying to answer this and then hopefully come up with 3 people to tag. Anyway, first question, what food would I eat every day? Steak. What's my favorite restaurant? It's a Mongolian barbecue place called Genghis Khan. I really love that place in Stockholm. What city has the best food I've ever had? Paris. Question number 4, what do you get on your sub? Triple meat, triple cheese, jalapenos. What do I get on my pizza? Question number 5, olives, shrimp, jalapenos and artichoke. 6, what is there a food you have always wanted to try? Beef ribs, can't get them here. I really would like to try that. Tell you about my worst restaurant experience. Well, once we were having a dessert, and the dessert came out. It was called a raspberry mirror with raspberry sauce, and the raspberry sauce was salty, not sweet. We wanted to send it back. The waiter was nonchalant, didn't really do anything. We kind of grew irritated. In the end, the chef apologized, so I think we could order whatever it was a couple of years ago. Anyway, I didn't like that. Who's the better cook? My mom or my dad? Well, since my dad has passed, my mom. If he hadn't passed, my mom. What's the one food you fail at making? Swedish pancakes. Thin Swedish pancakes. I just can't make them. I always fail. I burn them or they turn out soggy or whatever. I can't make them. I should be able to. I've tried like 100 times. I just can't make them. My favorite, least favorite foods. If I just have to pick something, cooked eggplant. It's like cooked snot. Anyway, raw or cooked veggies? Raw. Kind of could hear that in the first one, right? I like raw veggies. How do I like my steak? Mooing. That's about it. I'm like Meathead. If it's just warm. No, I don't know why you should remove the horns though. Need something to hold on to while eating. Cooking or baking? Well, cooking. It's easy. Baking is hard. What's my favorite fast food place? Burger King. It's very easy to answer. A food place I wish was closer to me, Arby's. There is none in Sweden. I really like Arby's. At least I did in 1984 when I ate there. I really love that place. Ultimate favorite dessert, raspberry crumble. 17. What food do you gravitate more towards at a party or get together? Dips. I like dipping. Whatever. Vegetables, whatever. Just dipping. 18. Favorite foods to eat at Christmas. I don't like Swedish Christmas food, so I'd say sushi. I like that for Christmas. What is the first food that comes to mind now? Baked beans. That was when I wrote the answer, and still is. I don't know why. 20. Do you have any weird food habits? I don't like cold food, so I eat really fast. Too fast, most people say, but I don't like cold food. When it cools down, it's not good. Of course, cold food could be cold, but not warm food. It should be warm, hot. I like that. What holiday is my favorite for food? Midsummer here in Sweden. I like that. It's nice sitting outside, sun shining, starts raining. You eat. It's good. What's one food you'll never try? Snake. Or, yeah, snakes. Insects. Snakes. Never, ever. I don't like snakes. Do you know your best friend's favorite food? Well, since my wife is my best friend, I would say lasagna. She likes lasagna. 24. What's the best thing your mom makes? Meatballs. Well, she's a meatball queen. Favorite style of eggs? Scrambled, poached, boiled, over easy, or sunny side up? Well, I like them scrambled, I think. Scrambled, that's my favorite. Name my favorite restaurant that is closed down, Eric's Fish in Stockholm. It was a really good fish restaurant. Still not, it's not around anymore. Anyway, it was very, very good. I think it had a star in Michelin or something like that. It was really good. 27. Like your bread toasted light or dark? Dark or darkish. Do I like spicy foods? Yes, I like spicy foods. Do you like seafood? Yes, I like seafood. First food that comes to mind that is green? Jalapenos. I couldn't really think of salad, but jalapenos. And that's it. And then I need to tag someone. I tag Chetil over at Elton's Barbecue Pit, and I tag Pete Thomas and Colin's Cooking Channel. Well, that's 3. Okay. Good luck, guys. I hope you answer this. And if you don't, have a good day. And if you do, have a good day as well. Okay, back to the popcorn. Okay, so these have been soaking for 15 minutes. I'm just going to drain these off, let them drain, and prepare the pan. I cleaned out the pan, and I'm going to put this on 13 like last time. Add the oil. Then I need to get the popcorn. And there we go. A bit exciting, isn't it? See you in a bit. Well, this is popping, but it's not really sounding the same. The glass lid is getting a lot of vapor on it on the underside. But, well, I don't know. We just have to see. Well, I wouldn't say soaking yields more. It yields less. Let's see what the difference is. So I'm just going to take a couple and try them out. Unsoaked ones. Just like popcorn, but no salt. I should have the salt. Let's try these. Chewy. Need to try a few more. They're from the same bag. Definitely chewy. No soaking. Way better. That's my opinion. If you want to do this test and contradict me, please do. Thank you for watching. Bye.